Hey there, what's up? Hope all of you are doing wonderfully well and are safe with your family and loved ones. Welcome back to Passion Bistro. Today I'm going to share with you my signature recipe of chicken with LABNEH and garlic. With just a few ingredients, the result will be incredibly delicious. If you love this video, you love the next ones as well. So don't forget to drop a like, subscribe and turn on the notifications to be the first one to catch the latest and the greatest recipes. Now let's move on to the recipe. To make this incredibly delicious recipe, we need 1 kg chicken cut into medium-sized pieces, 2 large tomatoes peeled and chopped, 1 large pod of garlic, about 18 to 20 flakes sliced, generous quantity of freshly chopped cilantro, about 8 green chilies slit, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 4 heaped tablespoons of LABNEH. You can find the recipe of LABNEH in the description below or in the card above your screen right now. 300 milliliters of milk, 150 milliliters of water, 100 milliliters of oil. Warm up the oil in a pot. And add in the chicken pieces. Now I'll fry the chicken on high flame to seal the juice of the chicken. We will fry the chicken until the color changes to light golden brown. Now I'm adding in the sliced garlic and I'm frying further until the aroma of garlic is released. We'll cover and cook on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and will fry further until the raw smell of turmeric disappears and the turmeric coats the chicken pieces. Now I'm adding in the green chilies and will fry until the aroma of the green chilies is released. Now it's time to add in the chopped tomatoes. Give it a good stir. Now time for the salt to go in. The salt will help the tomatoes to release the moisture fast and become pulpy. Stir in well. I'm going to cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. You can see that the tomatoes have become soft and pulpy. I'll continue to stir to make sure that the tomatoes are mashed and the gravy has become thick. Now the main ingredient goes in to do the wonderful job of giving the gravy that creaminess and the unique taste. Mix the LABNEH well on high flame, stirring continuously until it gets blended well with the tomato base and no lumps are left. It's time for the milk to do its job. Add in the milk and mix well so that the milk gets blended along with the LABNEH and tomato base. You can replace milk with water if milk isn't available in your kitchen. But milk gives the gravy a subtle taste which is phenomenal. Allow it to cook, adding in the freshly chopped cilantro, which gives the gravy that wonderful taste. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. I'm adding in some water to adjust the thickness of the gravy. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. The incredibly delicious chicken with LABNEH and garlic is ready to be served. Serve it with steamed rice or any flatbread of your choice. And with this, we've come to the end of yet another video. Hope you enjoyed learning this recipe. Comment down below which recipe you'd like to see featured on Passion Bistro. Until next time, stay safe, eat healthy.